Hello. Today I'm going to do a review and disassemble video for this Courant toast tower that is currently available on QVC and Amazon.com. I purchased mine from QVC and managed to get it for about $40, including shipping and discounts. Now, given what it is, and given the reviews, and given that I have to even make this video because it mostly doesn't work, it makes me a little disappointed that I even paid $40 for it, because it's actually about $60 or $65 normally without any of the discounts I got. So it is what it is. And it is, well, first of all, the complaints in the reviews online are that this tends to not work on the bake function at all. The bottom element only comes on. The toast function is the only thing that really works. And it seems to both not get very hot on the inside as an oven, and yet it also gets very hot on the outside. So one of the things that I suspect it needs is insulation, and I'll probably add that when I modify this one for my own needs in my own kitchen. But something that also definitely needs is a stay on switch, because this just, someone in the reviews just said it sounds like a time bomb. And I mean, any kind of timer like this could be used for all kinds of different things. They all sound the same. And this one only goes up to 30 minutes. I did a Stouffer's chicken pie last night in this, or attempted to, and it took more than 2 hours and a lot of turning this knob back, and I had to do it on toast because bake wasn't getting anywhere. And one of the things I'm pretty sure I figured out, this is not plugged in right now, this is just sitting on a board on my bed. One of the things I figured out is, I'm pretty sure behind these two rivets is a thermal cutoff device, a safety switch that keeps opening, that was well-meaning, but what it seems to have the effect of doing is it makes sure that the oven does not get above 180 or 200 degrees. The actual thermostat, you see, I know this because the actual thermostat clicks. That's clicking at room temperature, but it never gets above 200 or 180 degrees. So I suspect there's a 180 degree or 200 degree thermal safety cutoff device behind those two rivets, which I'll have to, or I'll try to get rid of it when I open this up, and we'll see if that's even what it is. But this is a, let's to be specific here, Courant toaster oven, model TO1236, 900 watts. And I suspect 900 watts is when both elements are on. I did an ohm test, and it's about 37 ohms when each element is on by itself, and then it goes down to 20 ohms when both elements are on toast. So I imagine it's about two 450 watt elements. around there. But in any case, someone fucked up when they put a safety cutoff device in the oven that appears to be in series with the thermostat and stops the oven from ever getting above 200 degrees. So now we're going to disassemble it and find out more about why it sucks.